I'm sure they charge quite a lot. Just trying to get clear access. Okay, there's two. We're gonna have to thread them through here, which shouldn't be is no problem. But I wanted to have them ready because I've got one bolt holding this on right now. Okay, now we need that nice long thin screwdriver, and we're gonna let's see if we can catch this on tape for you. Come on, man. There's magnets on these lights. Would it hurt you to put in one or two goddamn metal parts instead of all aluminum? Just being facetious, gentlemen. Oh, there's also, okay, there's a wire connector on there. That's got to go. These little doohickeys right here, I had to cut about 3 or 4 of them. I do like the job they do on these bikes. Everything is so nice and tight and clean. Okay, here's the third wire. This is definitely your right side signal lights. There it is. I thought it was a different type of connector. What we're going to do is just put this up inside of here. I think you can see that now, guys. I don't know if you can even hear me. Okay, there's the third wire right there. Yeah, 220 bucks, man. But like I said, the dealer probably charges 150. I don't know. I was going to call them just to see. And more likely they sell a set. Shit, you might be able to find one of your buddies that may have. There's hey, can I have that one? And let's see here. Are they? Yep. You have a right and a left. They can't be transposed. Let me think. Well, I guess they could be transposed. Yep, they could be. Okay. Okay, now we can take that T-20. Whoa. Okay, we finally found a metal piece. It's the bolt. Everything on this bike is aluminum, so magnets don't. This is the first time. I got a new cameraman today, so try and keep up with them. Okay, we won't be needing those bolts. Those are, like I said, I'm gonna keep this just in case shit goes sideways with the new one. That's it. You take off your license plate. I'm getting the one that tucks. So, oh man, sweet. Take a look up here real quick. Okay, there's a everything comes in the kit, so it's real easy. Now it's just a question of, I just ordered it last night, so I am surprised I didn't even get the email yet about it being shipped, but let's see if I did. Usually they're really on top of that shit. That's like the next morning it's fucking on its way. They probably sell these things a dime a dozen too. Oh, it's my other fucking phone. Okay. Not a big deal. You know what I'm saying? But we're good to go. We got it off. I was taking a look at this yesterday and it's like, oh shit. But it's gonna be cool. It's a pretty bright light. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut this baby down for now until the parts come in. This is part
one of this. The next time I pull you up, we will have the new Rage Cycles Fender Eliminator kit, and we will put it on the bike. That's it for this video.